Guys, I'm riding with a buddy today. He's on a stretch Kawasaki, like 1000, I think. I can't remember, to be honest. He's done a lot of work to it too. Whenever he first got it, it was like red and black, which he was like, dude, that's freaking weird for a Kawasaki to have red on it. So he changed it. Jesus. Oh shit, I think he works at the dealership. Oh yeah? Yeah, wonder if he'd race. Guys, there's really no purpose to today's video, kind of just riding around. Badass. Thank you. He likes my bike. That feels good. This bike has so much freaking more power than mine.
The pain inside, don't wanna feel it. So I go up inside my cup and I just sip till I can't feel it. I know it won't solve my problem, but I know it makes a difference. One more sip and I'ma fix it. Out my body when I'm tempted. I told her one more, she heard me say you quit or she dipping. Yeah, yeah. I don't want pain no more. I don't want no more pain. I ain't gon' see no way. Look at that with no pain. See the rain coming down, but it is not purple today.
I love the sound of his bike just flying by me too.
Pain inside, don't wanna feel it. So I pour up inside my cup and I just sip till I can't feel it. I know it won't solve my problem, but I know it makes a difference. One more sip and I'ma fix it. Out my body when I'm tempted. I told her one more, she heard me say you quit or she dipping. Yeah, let me do my thing. Got them greens and pinks and blues, I'll give my kids a change. Don't call me asking for none unless you...
I think we almost went back in time right there. Bro, there's no way I'd be riding on that line. Those things are so slippery.
All I ever wanted was some millions. All I ever wanted was some children. Then I got 4 of them kids and now we chillin'. Nothing's real, inside don't wanna feel it. So I pour up inside my cup and I just sip till I can't feel it.
Fucking hell, it's cold. That sun goes down. When the sun goes down in my side of town. You know how many moms on TikTok did that freaking dance? We're gonna try to get on the interstate and get home because God, it is cold. His tires are sticky. He's kicking up rocks on me. I'm shaking. I'm so cold right now. That's not good. Usually my body doesn't get cold whenever I'm riding, but God, it is freezing. I feel like we should have taken the other road back. Seems like a much longer way. All the dumb stuff that I do. I need to start wearing my clear visor whenever I'm going out and I know it's going to be dark out. Whoa, my back tire just went completely out on me. He said we're going to the interstate. Oh, there's the interstate.
Yeah, boy, out me.
It's honestly probably a good thing that we're behind these cars because I'd probably want to take them too fast. Think I can use our exhaust for warmth. Guys, we're coming to the end of the video. Appreciate you all watching. If you guys like this kind of style of a video, I think I'm going to try to come up with a name with it, like Let's Ride or Ride With Me or something. I don't know. But if you like the style of video where we're just kind of chilling out, riding, not really talking that much, make sure you let me know in the comments below. Make sure you give this video a like and subscribe if you'd like to see more content from me. Appreciate you guys watching. Peace out.